This is the test your skills activity. Let's get started. So, 5 add 3. Of course, you could start by saying equals 5 plus 3. But that's not what we want. We want formulas. We don't want numbers. We don't want values. So the easiest way is to go like this. Equals, click here. Automatically you get B2. Then plus, click here. Automatically you get D2. Press enter. There you go. Next one. Not equals 8 plus 6. 8 minus 6. What we want is the subtraction of the formula. So equals B4 minus D4. And so we go. Equals B6 times, remember times is with the star, D4, D6. Enter. Equals B8 divided, this is the divided, D8. Enter. And then we just follow the same procedure. Click there, subtract, click here, press enter. You could type the cell, but it's easier just to click on the cell. Click on the cell, put the operation, click, go. Equals, don't forget to start with the equals. Click on the cell, times, click, done. Equals, click on the cell, plus, click here, done. Equals, click on the cell, divided by this, enter. Click on the cell, oops, not click on the cell, equals first. Click on the cell, subtract, click, enter. Why it's important to have the formula? Here's the formula on the top. Why it's important to have the formula? Because no matter what number I put here, the formula is the same. So if I change this for another number, I will have the result. Let's say I put 10 here. Here is equals B4 minus D4. I will have 4. Okay, good. Let's move on to the next activity. Just a moment so I can get the next activity going. And there we go. All right. Click into cell F1. This, I hope you figured out this is wrong. It's cell F2. F2, not F1. Write the formula to add B2 and D2. So equals B2 plus D2. Enter. Automatically I got this. That's what they told me would happen. Multiply equals this times this. Enter. And now you know the drill. Minus, right here, enter. See, this is a very simple way of doing things, and it would take your activity here no more than 10 minutes maybe, if you do it slow. Equals this times this, enter. Right here, equals this divided by this, enter. Notice that's always the formula. If you want to look at the formula, let's do this one. Plus, enter, done. I click on top of the cell and it shows the formula up there. And the formula bar. Equals this divided by this, enter, equals this multiply by this, enter, equals this cell minus this cell, enter, equals this plus this, enter, finally equals this divided by this, enter. But it tells me also to write a formula here to add all these answers together. Let me show you how you do this. You need to go to a cell that's up here. Let me get this. Let me move this bar a little bit so that you can see. Right there. It's called AutoSum. So I have to first click on the cell I want. This cell here. And then I need to click here, AutoSum, and click Sum. Okay, let me show you what happens. I click here, I'm clicking on AutoSum. You see I get sum F24. Actually, I don't want F24. I will select everything here. It's all the way from F2 to F25 or F24. So the formula is this, equals sum, open parenthesis, F2, column, F25, close parenthesis. Press enter. That's the answer. Okay? I hope you all got these things right. But if you didn't, you can always correct on your papers. Thank you very much.